Welcome, everyone. This is Lee Schaubeck here from HPC in Elgin, Illinois, our headquarters. Today is our first try at a group podcast. Very excited to give this a try today. Kanban's pull system is one of our lean manufacturing tools in the strategy toolbox here at HPC. This particular tool has helped take HPC to a new level when it comes to meeting customer demands in a constant changing consumer market. A lot of Kaizen has been done by the employee owners here at HPC to make this successful. Today, I'm joined with Tim Baer, President, Julie Sandine, the Materials Coordinator, Ann Bottom, Customer Service, and Mark Hill in Engineering. Welcome, everyone, and thank you for your time. Now we're going to go around the table and talk a little bit about what Kanban, our pull system, means to everyone. So, Tim, you're up first. What's your take on the Kanban system here at HPC?
Well, Lee, I found that elimination of excess inventory to be the most beneficial aspect for HPC so far. We used to have problems with overruns based on timing, someone giving a count, or we ran in another work order that wasn't due for months. This not only caused us to carry excess finished goods, but it also depleted a lot of raw material that was necessary for other molds running the same material. This would then cascade into a firefight to order more material or carry excess raw material. When we first started performing audits on the Kanban cards and system, we scored a miserable 18%, so we weren't doing very well. It took us about 6 months to truly believe in the discipline, and now we score between 85 and 100% consistently. Along with our team, we've moved a lot of problems into a lot of confidence in our inventory and made us have a better accurate count.
Thanks, Tim. That's pretty interesting, especially when we're talking about decreasing our firefighting and doing a little bit more planning, so to speak. Julie, you've got an interesting perspective from the materials coordinating standpoint. What do you feel that some of the key points are?
Thank you, Lee. Well, for production purposes, there's a visual management system in place to trigger production requirements. We have been able to better manage when unforeseen circumstances pop up. We are working currently to reduce lead times to our customers with our Kanban systems. This has also greatly helped our internal customers with inventory of raw materials.
A couple of keywords there, Julie, probably visual management and trigger. Big keywords there. And now you deal with this from the customer standpoint. So what do you think from your end?
Thanks, Lee. One of the things that I noticed when it comes to the materials part is before we'd have a problem and it wouldn't pop up until we were in that problem. So now with the visual management system, we're able to react and we get a better heads up and we're able to plan instead of panic and chaos, which helps a lot with dealing with the customers.
Reducing panic and chaos. How about that? That makes things a lot better, huh? Now, Mark, you're in engineering, so you get to see a whole different perspective on the Kanban. How about you? What do you see from your point?
Yeah, from my point of view, I see Kanban most effectively helping our employees on the production floor. It helps them keep track of how many parts they're supposed to make, and I like that it's a visual system to help them keep track of production flow.
That's awesome, Mark. Appreciate that. All the comments that we've had around the table have been really awesome. I know from my own firsthand experience helping with the Kanban programs the last couple of years, I know it has helped with increasing customer satisfaction, increasing on-time delivery, decreasing quality issues, and we have the ability to ship more when needed. So all of you touched on some great points such as reducing excess inventory, raw and finished goods, overruns, firefights, chaos, visual management system, trigger points, flow of production, communication with the customer. We have a banner by our meeting area that lists the 8 ways. To sum it up, the pull system, the Kanban system, has been a huge help in reducing the 8 ways. So I'm going to steal a quote from one of my favorite authors, Jocko Willenick: discipline equals freedom. So being disciplined in our Kanbans and our pull system provides all the employee owners here at HPC the freedom to do more and give more value to our customers. Thanks, everyone. I appreciate your time. I look forward to having more podcasts about our Kanban systems here at HPC. This is Lee Schaubeck, Tim Baer, Julie Sandine, Ann Bottom, and Mark Hill. HPC, the people behind your product.